Hello everyone, my name is Karshan from Group S29. Our project is to find a sustainable alternative for river sand. So moving on to the introduction, river sand is preferred for construction because it requires less processing and has better quality than other sources. But mining of river sand higher than it can naturally be replenished leads the serious damage to the river system. So we tried to find the best alternative for river sand. So moving on to the ingredients of the river sand. If you take a sample of sand from the river, it mostly quartz. As a percentage, it's like 60%. Quartz give the strength to the river sand, and about 20% it contains alumina and 10% of silicate, 5% of iron oxide, like that we can see from this chart. So moving on to the properties of the river sand, as you can see we listed some of our properties here. Strength, bulk density, specific gravity, water absorption, like that. Because of these qualities, the sand of the river has become an essential commodity for us. I invited my colleague Gunawardana to continue the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Hirosha. My name is R.P. Gunawardana. When looking at the manufacturing process of river sand, there are four main steps: extraction, washing, sorting, and crushing. During extraction, sand is mined or dredged from riverbanks and riverbeds using machinery like excavators and dredgers. Water is used in the washing stage to remove mud and silt from the river sand. Machines are then used to sort the sand according to the particle size, while gravel and rocks are removed. Larger particles are then crushed to obtain the required particle size, which results in good quality river sand. River sand is used for many applications, and more than 70% of it is used in construction of buildings, roads, and other infrastructure. River sand is the main raw material for glass production and for producing silicon wafers for electronics. It is also used as an abrasive in sandblasting and for creating molds for casting metals. Although river sand is a very useful material, there are many social, economic, and environmental problems of using it. When considering the life cycle of river sand, during the extraction stage there is water pollution, instability of riverbanks, loss of riparian lands, and the destruction of aquatic ecosystems. The transport and storage stage causes air and water pollution and generates greenhouse gases as the sand has to be transported longer distances from the rivers to the required locations. In the utilization stage, air, water, and soil pollution occurs during activities such as construction and manufacturing. The disposal stage creates solid waste as well as dust when constructions are demolished and products like glass are destroyed. Now I invite my colleague Sevandika to continue the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Ranath. I am Sayanaga PSM RS. Now let's talk about available alternatives. The first one is manufactured sand. Sand is produced by crushing and grading rocks. Second one is crust-based glass. Third one is quarry dust is product of the crushing process during mining of rocks. And the fourth one is construction and demolition waste is process wastage from construction and demolition. And the other one is marine sand. As you know, marine sand is taken from sea. Copper sludge is formed as byproduct of the manufacturing process of copper, and the wash bottom as is generated as byproduct in coal power plants. And the last one, blast furnace slags, it is obtained from iron production process. The problem that addressed by using alternative for river sand used in construction are reduce environmental impact, minimize the use of non-renewable resources, reduce wastage generated. The alternative solutions of those are M-sand, copper slag, marine sand, quarry dust, and CDW. The problem that addressed by using alternative for raw material in glass production are reduce environmental impact, minimize the use of non-renewable resources. The alternative solution of those are M-sand and marine sand. And the third one is the problem that addressed by alternative for river sand used in casting metal. reduce environmental impact, minimize the use of non-renewable resources. The alternative solutions those are M-sand, marine sand, and quarry dust, and wash bottom ash. And the last one is the problem that addressed by using alternative for ab- abrasive compounds are reduce environmental impact, minimize the use of non-renewable resources. The alternative solutions of those are M-sand, marine sand, and copper slag. I hand over the presentation to Subhash. Thank you, Shivandra. I'm Senanayaka PSMRS, and now I'm going to talk about the M-sand. Manufactured sand is an eco-friendly alternative which can be used to replace river sand. M-sand produced by crushing and grinding suitable rocks into the cubical particle using a vertical shaft impactor. M-sand has all the properties and the compounds of river sand but has significantly low impact of the environment. And now I'm going to talk about the making of M-sand. We have shown the manufacturing process of the M-sand in this slide. As the first step, M-sand is extracted and it is directed into the primary crushing and then straight to the secondary crushing. Afterwards, the crushed components are washed and that's the end of the making process of the M-sand. And now I'm going to talk about the discussion. In discussion, we have mentioned two problems. First problem is destruction of aquatic ecosystem, adverse effects on the fisheries and agriculture. Instability of riverbanks and pollution are some of the severe problems caused by the excessive use of river sand and illegal mining operations further increase these effects. And our second problem is extraction of river sand cause widespread of environmental, social, and economic problems and affect the livelihood of people, agricultural activities, cause land and air pollution, and result in the inflows of seawater into the rivers as well as depletion of coastal sand. Now I'm going to hand over the presentation to Hasid. Thank you.
Thank you, Subhashita. I am Hasita Dhananjay. I am talking about the discussion, content, and conclusion. First, I will talk about the advantage of M-sand. There are several advantages of using M-sand. First one is it has all the properties of river sand and it is very strong and easy to use. And it is capable of carrying out almost all the work of river sand. The second one is the extraction process of M-sand is more environmental friendly than the river sand. It reduces the water pollution and minimizes damages to river. The last one is it is economically advantageous to replace M-sand with river sand because the cost of production is very low. It can easily use for any construction work. Conclusion: the population is increasing day by day and the needs are capable. As a result, new construction have increased. At present, man is consuming more sand than in natural. This has led to a huge increase in water pollution. As an alternative, our team is proposing M-sand, which can produce the increased demand, make it cheaper and more convenient. Also, this makes construction work more efficient and secure. That concludes our presentation on a sustainable alternative for river sand. Thank you.